Hello, good morning grade 2. Let's start our math lesson for today, Tuesday, 7th of April 2020. We'll take lesson 4, make bar graphs. You need to get your math book, please, volume 2. The pages we will cover today are 550, 551, and 553. A bar graph uses bars to show data. Why did we call it bar graph? Because it looks like those chocolate bars. How to make a bar graph? You need to color one box for each vote. And it's different from the picture graph because in the picture graph, we draw a picture or a symbol for each vote. Okay, now how to make a bar graph? We use the data given in the tally chart to make the bar graph. We can make our bar graph in two different ways. Using the horizontal line, which looks like the sleeping line, and the vertical line, which looks like the standing line. So the first way of doing a bar graph is to use the horizontal line for number of votes and the vertical line for the types of food. Or the other way is to use the horizontal line for the kinds or types of food and the vertical line for the numbers. Both of the ways are correct. Okay, let's do exercise number 1, page 550. Use the tally chart to make a bar graph. You have two pictures here of two charts. Can you please circle in your book which one is a tally chart? Yeah, how did you know? It's the one on the left side. How did you know that this is the tally chart? Because it uses tally marks to show data. Now, we need to use the data given in this tally chart to make our bar graph about favorite muffin. Don't forget to color one box for each tally mark. This is how we will do our bar graph. We will color one box for each tally mark. Let's start. The first one, blueberry, 4 tally marks. So you need to color how many boxes? 4. Strawberry, how many tally marks? 2. So you need to color 2 boxes. Lemon, 1 tally mark. You need to color 1 box. Cherry, 5 tally marks. So you need to color 5 boxes. After you finish, please take a picture of the answer and upload it to your portfolio. Great job. Now let's move to page 551. Exercise number 2. First, we need to complete the tally chart. How? By counting the total number of tally marks and write it. So how to complete the tally chart here? You need to count how many tally marks and you write the number. For the red color, you have 4 tally marks, so you write number 4. The blue one, you have 6 tally marks, so 6, you write number 6. The black, 2 tally marks. The green, 5 tally marks. This is the first part of the question. The second part is to use this tally chart to make a bar graph. As we said before, we color one box for each tally mark. The red here has 4 tally marks, so you need to color 4 boxes. Blue, 6 tally marks, so you need to color how many boxes? Yeah, do the black and the green alone, please. Well done. Let's move to exercise number 3. We have on the left side here the tally chart. And again, how did you know that this is the tally chart? It uses the tally marks to show data. The other one is a bar graph. The question here is also complete the tally chart by counting the total number of tally marks and writing it. So you count the tally marks of the left-handed and the tally marks for the right-handed and you write the number now. Okay, the second part of the question is use the tally chart to make a bar graph. how you color one box for each tally mark. Can you do it yourself now? Okay, well done. Thank you for listening. Please, after you finish, do your homework, page 553, then upload your work as a photo to your portfolio on ClassDojo. Here is your homework exercise. Just do exercise number 1, page 553, and if you can also do exercise number 2, it's in page 554. Goodbye.